Yung number Sir Lindon.
On the ground, straight ball, shot clock 14. Ball number 6.
Tatlo.
Third person, ball number 6. Third foul. Three. Defensively, ball number 9. 10 seconds shot clock. Defensively, ball number 5. Ball number 48.
48. Si ano, Aguilar. Parin.
First foul.
Castro. Start ko na.
Sir, wala.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
yan.
50%.
Ten seconds shot clock.
Nagot na naman, oh.
The ball number 5. Out of bounds.
Chill yan.
The ball number 5. Rebound 83. Steal number 5.
Pwesto dito.
Sir, man.
Dito.
10 seconds shot clock.
Yun!
Defensive rebound. 2 points.
Dito, ano muna? Quiet.
10 seconds shot clock. Rebound number 5. Rebound 17. Defensive rebound 48.
Wala pa rin.
Rebound 34. Ten seconds shot clock. Rebound 83.
Go back, James!
Si Web, tatlo.
10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Defensive rebound 48. Rebound number 5. Out of bounds.
Time out.
Timeout. Team Moran.
Tingnan mo nga si Wade. Ah, dalawa pa lang. Dalawa pa lang. Tugat ka niya ng tatlo.
Defense, on three. 1, 2, 3.
Back to the ball game.
Bago ko na sapatos, Sergey, no?
Booker rin. David Booker.
Ano, magaganda ng sapatos ni Booker, no?
Pwedeng pang pang.
Nice one!
Remain the points.
Release yun. Receive, sir. Basket.
Out of bounds. Shot clock 7 seconds.
Mama kay Pops eh.
Shot clock 7 seconds. Rebound number 6. Defensive rebound number 5. Foul number 73.
First pound.
Substitution.
Get my chi back again. Hey! Walk in!
Rebound ninyo. Steal. Steal number 21. Traveling violation. Substitution. Substitution. Seven to three to points. Rebound 7 to 3. 2 points. All for the five.
Yes, sir.
Still 21.
Nice pass!
Wala pa rin naman.
Rebound number 6.
Uy!
Defensive rebound 28. 60 points.
Sino nakapasok?
Si Saruel.
Foul number 20.
First foul. Uy, sab. Uy, niluwag. Receive rebound.
10-7 foul number 6.
Alas ah.
Defensive rebound 21. Rebound 26.
Wala pa rin.
Receive rebound. Sub.
Substitution, foul number 11.
Two kid.
Substitution.
First foul, two kid. Basket.
All.
Shooter.
Time
Cut, sir. Opo. Hanggang fourth quarter yan, sir. 2 points chance.
Comfort boss.
Ten shot clock. Rebound 38. Twenty-one points. Assist number 6.
Malitan ah.
Kita na putok mo.
Mama na. Ay, gado.
10 shot clock. 5 shot clock. Shot clock violation.
Magandang depensa. Ah,
10 shot clock. This will be 124.
rebound.
Foul. Number 83.
Achi. Richie.
First pa lang.
First pa lang. Hindi namin ang call ngayon. Pumasok. 34. 34.
Pero,
34. Wala.
Rebound 34.
Rebound.
Yun!
Huli. Ganda ng huli.
Foul number 3.
Jay,
Ano yun?
ilan na yun? Second.
Second foul, number 3. Second foul.
Pumasok na.
Sablay.
Hindi pa rin. Rebound na naman yun.
Defensive rebound.
Offensive rebound.
Number 6 rebound, number 83.
Wow!
17 points. 15 seconds. 10 seconds.
Ah,
5 seconds.
ah.
Rebound 73.
Hindi na ako.
Nakapayong, mga tao, automatic yun na. Basic, basic. Nagkira ka dito na ako.
Guys, 10 more minutes.
Sir, wala nang ganun sir ngayon. Yung bagong apps
Wala, di makikita, sir, eh.
Hindi na. Wala na, okay na.
Kayo nasa...
Nasa inyo na yun. Ten minutes, 10 minutes.
Ano mo lang?
Sa'yo, susunod yan.
Fourth quarter.
Ang bilis na sa akin. Nakikot ko na, 80 plus na. Ito na, full na.
Ako din. Tinis na unahan pa ako ah.
Hinakapan. Sa'yo, bilis yan.
Mabilis to eh. Oh. Unahan ko pa yan. Unahan pa yun sa'yo. Unahan tayo ah. 34, 20.
Yun yung bilang sa akin. Ang bilis yan. Saka nag-loading.
Rebound number 5. 5 good points.
One way, you know? One way. One way lang yun. One way lang.
Alam niya makakuha siya ng foul eh.
One way yun. One way. Tawag yun, one way. Isa lang dinaanan.
One way lang mo ganon.
One way lang yun. Kasi pag bumalik siya,
All the way.
baka mahuli siya Tiaro.
Ha. Foul.
Spawn.
Foul number 5.
On number 5. Marvin.
Ilan?
Second personal foul.
Second foul number 5.
First.
First team foul.
Tres.
Defensive rebound 26. Defensive rebound 26.
Rebound pa rin.
Rebound number 9.
Isip rebound yung pre ah. Number 9.
Defensive rebound number 5. 2 points.
Sir, 8 minutes.
8 minutes. Pag nag-net. Mom!
3.
Pumutok.
Sino ang nagpasa?
Si ano, look.
Number 5.
Look, eight.
Out of bounds. Substitution.
Nasab.
Substitution.
Dikit yung labo ko.
Pumutok!
3. Number 5.
Pumutok na.
Tama na Jin.
Lock.
Lock.
Same ball.
Shot clock 7 seconds. Shot clock 7. Five seconds shot clock. Rebound 31.
Teres.
Rebound 34. Ten seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Rebound 73.
Patay.
Defensive rebound 73. Rebound.
Defensive rebound. Nakasi si Marvin. Sa labas ba? Sir Marvin lumabas. Sab yan. Yung rebound. Yes.
Pagkakashoot time out.
Okay, boss. Tatlo pa time out nyo. Balik.
Set.
Out of bounds. Substitution.
Sab.
Substitution.
Yaw na. Turnover.
Ilan tayo mo tila?
Dalawa po.
Dalawa pa, boss.
Tatlo.
Tatlo, dalawa.
Magiging isa, tas wala. Ayun sa taas.
Yung pool.
10 seconds shot clock. 5 points.
Anong pasa yun? Good.
Alert tayo na kasi ano to, crucial no.
10 seconds shot clock.
10 seconds. Nice, Piring.
Yari.
Rebound. Number 5. Defensive rebound number 6. Out of bounds.
Rebound number 6. Pass.
Substitution.
Ayun, pumutok na eh.
Hindi kasi gusto naman. Ano yan no?
5 seconds shot clock.
Uy!
Rebound 31.
Alat. Ano? Foul. Who's foul?
Foul number 9.
Ring. Second pa lang.
Second foul number 9.
Dikit yung nakabumpong. Ako maaga matatapos.
Rebound number 6. Steal number 3.
Still number 3.
Out of bounds.
Time out. No, sige.
Time out.
Wemby.
Team Wemby. Both teams, 2 remaining timeouts. Both teams, 2 remaining timeouts.
Ilan na?
91?
Layo ni French.
96 ako eh.
Layo ni
May
French.
ginagamit ko.
Mabilis kayo sa ako.
Bilis, no?
Mabilis kayo. Pascal.
Defense, ha? Nice defense. 1-3, 1-2-3. Defense!
4 minutes.
White basketball, white.
Second.
10-second shot clock. Rebound 38. Offensive rebound 34, 2 points. All 59. Ten-second shot clock. 17, 2 points.
Pasati. Block.
Block, number 83. Stable shot clock 7. Shot clock 7.
Well, 7 seconds. 11 seconds.
Shot clock 7 seconds. Five-second shot clock.
Dalawa po.
Foul number 83.
Dalawa na.
Second personal foul.
Second foul number 83.
Tig dalawa.